Welcome back to the channel, guys. In this episode, we're tackling an important subject, proper abalone harvesting. In a previous video, one of you pointed out that the knife I was using wasn't legal for taking abalone. So that prompted me to make this video and set out to design and produce my own abalone knife. Let's go.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die. Hey, swing those hips around. Can't stop, roll back down. My ladies, short, tall, thin or wide, always down and ready to ride. One by one, billion by billion, been holding up half the sky. Raise your hand if you're ready and willing, if you know it's time. Time for a girl on time. Time for a girl on time.
A viewer commented that the knife I was using didn't meet regulations. An abalone knife has to meet specific dimensions for legal and ethical harvesting. So I thought, instead of just buying one, I'm going to make my own. How hard could it be? You probably don't know this, but I dabble in 3D printing. So I set out to design my own knife in CAD software and then test it, put it to use, and we'll see how that goes. I started by researching legal specifications and common features of abalone knives. I wanted something ergonomic, something comfortable, easy to grip, and sturdy. Here's my first iteration. It's not illegal to take an abalone with a dive knife, however, it must be no less than 18mm wide. The smallest nick to an abalone can be fatal as the blood does clot. Therefore, I recommend using an abalone iron like this one. Let's put it to the test. The first version was decent, but I noticed a few issues. The handle could do with some more grip, and I wanted to add a built-in measuring device to ensure I'm only taking legal-sized abalone. Time for a redesign. The measurements here depict Tasmanian regulation, but I may just go back and add some for the rest of the country. Here's the updated design. I've improved the grip, added a measuring edge, and designed a 3D printed sheath for better storage. Let's test it out again.
There's a nice green lip too, but I thought it was fucking just a shell.
Yeah.
But it's actually, as soon as I grabbed it, it's stuck down.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
But how'd the knife go?
Actually pretty good.
Pretty good?
Yeah.
Look.
Popped off.
Yeah, nice.
Not bad.
Measurement tool?
Yeah. Plenty size.
Oh, yeah, turn it around and face me. The knife.
Well, plenty size for here. That's good.
Well, yeah. Go.
This version feels way better. Ergonomic, functional, and legal. Thanks to the viewer who pointed this out. Feedback like this helps a whole lot in the community. Alright, enough about abalone. Let's go save some fish from drowning.
That's a terrible shot, bro.
He's only just on.
Fucking A.
That's it for today's episode. If you enjoyed the journey from CAD to reality, hit that like and subscribe button for more spearfishing content. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see a video of a full breakdown of all my gear that I carry out into the water every trip I take. See you in the next adventure.